Today we'll bring back the showroom shine to the Honda City's headlights right at home, using nothing more than a single tube of Autosol polishing compound. Firstly, we inspect the condition of the headlights to identify signs of oxidation, scratches, and surface contaminants. Prepare all the necessary tools and materials for sanding and polishing, including masking tape, various grades of sandpaper, a spray bottle with soapy water, and most importantly, the indispensable tube of Autosol polishing compound. Let's begin the process. Apply masking tape around the headlight to protect the vehicle's paintwork and to clearly define the restoration area, preventing polish or sanding from spreading beyond the intended zone. This may seem like a small step, but it's actually very important. During the sanding process, if your hand slips, the sandpaper can scratch the paint on the hood, front bumper, or nearby plastic trims. Masking tape acts as a protective barrier, allowing you to work with confidence without worrying about damaging the surrounding areas. Apply a layer of Autosol compound onto the headlight surface, then spray a specialized solution to keep it moist. The purpose of wetting is to reduce friction, allowing the sandpaper to glide smoothly and preventing deeper scratches. Next, use RMC P600 sandpaper. This is a coarse-grade paper with a large grit size, designed for fast material removal. It effectively eliminates yellowing, heavy scratches, and stubborn oxidation on the lens surface. If you start with a finer grit, the damaged areas won't be fully corrected, and the results will be far less noticeable. When sanding, apply consistent strokes, either horizontally or vertically, and avoid circular motions as they can cause deep scratches. Always keep both the sandpaper and the headlight surface wet to minimize friction and prevent damage to the plastic. Apply moderate pressure, firm but not excessive, to ensure an even finish without deforming the surface. This technique effectively removes haze and yellowing, providing a smooth foundation for subsequent polishing steps, resulting in a clear, long-lasting headlight surface. After sanding evenly, use a microfiber towel to wipe off all the residue, preparing the surface for the next step. Next, repeat the process of applying compound and wetting the surface. Then move on to RMC P800 sandpaper. This finer grit offers lighter abrasion, refining the surface after the initial work with P600. Simply put, P800 erases the scratches left by P600 while smoothing out the lens, preparing it for the finer sanding stage that follows. Once finished, wipe the surface clean with a microfiber towel to remove dust and sanding residue. Next, wet the headlight surface and use Tua P1500 sandpaper. This is a much finer grit that smooths and clears the lens. If P600 is for cutting through oxidation and P800 is for leveling the surface, then P1500 is the finishing stage, removing micro scratches and creating a refined base that allows light to pass through more clearly. In the final sanding stage with P1500 grit paper, the surface should only be treated with water and fine abrasive, without using autosol polishing compound. This is because P1500 grit is already fine enough to create a uniform surface, properly prepared for the dedicated polishing process. Applying autosol at this stage may reintroduce scratches to the plastic lens due to its aggressive cutting properties. Therefore, finishing with P1500 ensures a clean, smooth, and safe surface, providing the optimal foundation for the final polishing step, resulting in maximum clarity and a naturally glossy finish. After thorough sanding, wipe the surface clean with a microfiber towel, ensuring no dust remains. For the final step, spray a layer of specialized solution evenly across the headlight surface and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. This solution works to clarify, protect, and stabilize the surface for longer-lasting results after restoration. At the same time, it forms a transparent protective coating that resists oxidation and blocks direct UV exposure, preventing the recurrence of yellowing and hazing. As a result, the headlight not only becomes clearer and glossier, but also maintains its durability and long-lasting performance. Finally, simply wipe clean with a dry microfiber towel, and the headlight surface will regain its shine. And here is the result after restoration. The headlights are now crystal clear and bright, free from yellowing or haziness. This not only enhances the vehicle's aesthetics, but also significantly improves nighttime driving safety. With a proper headlight polishing process, your headlights have been effectively revived. Take proper care of your car to ensure long-lasting beauty and safety on the road. Don't forget to like and follow the channel to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next videos.